The Chinese Coast Guard personnel on board 8 motorboats repeatedly rammed 2 Philippine Navy inflatable boats in a disputed shoal in the South China Sea, and even boarded and damaged their vessels with machetes. Mazagan Dock Shipbuilders has released pictures of the first Project 17, a stealth frigate Nilgiri today, which has already been outfitted with the Israeli MF Star, Thermos counter radar, and weapon systems like RBU 6000. After witnessing their impressive performance in J&K, the Central Reserve Police Force is contemplating a larger order for the wheeled armored amphibious platform. Russia has announced that it has completed trials of its T-14 Armata tank with a new 152mm smoothbore gun, advanced electronic systems and new fire control system. Zen Technologies has briefed officials of Tanzania, Rwanda, Iraq and Slovakia on its smart combat training solutions and counter-drone system. Several Southeast Asian countries have expressed interest in the Netra Mark 1 airborne early warning and control aircraft. While talking about Project 75I program, the chairman of Thyssenkrupp Marine Systems has said that India can be a hub for making submarines in the Asia-Pacific region, as there is a demand for submarines from Europe, South America and South Asia. Indian Navy's INS Sunena and Mauritius Coast Guard ship Barracuda and Dornier maritime aircraft conducted joint surveillance mission across the vast Mauritian exclusive economic zone. After offering to co-develop Striker armored vehicles to the Indian Army, the Pentagon has now set its sights on the 1,770 future-ready combat vehicle program valued at 57,000 crore rupees. The US is actively pursuing the FRCV project through diplomatic channels, with an aim to lessen India's dependence on Russian military equipment. The US is testing its new Abrams-X next-generation tank, which features a hybrid electric diesel engine, enhanced armor and an unmanned turret, and it is lighter, faster and more fuel-efficient than its predecessor. Industry sources have said that while the rollout of the first AMCA prototype will happen by late 2027 and first flight by late 2028, the work on the second AMCA prototype will progress simultaneously. That will ensure that the second prototype is also ready to join developmental flight trials by 2029. HAL plans to roll out each prototype at intervals of 8 months to maintain momentum in the program. The first 3 prototypes will focus on developmental flight trials and will gather valuable user feedback from the Indian Air Force that will allow for refinements before production commences. The 4th and 5th prototypes will take center stage for weapons trials, ensuring the AMCA is fully equipped for combat. Boeing has unveiled a revolutionary transport aircraft design concept that merges the stealthy efficiency of a flying wing with the robust cargo capacity of traditional aircraft. The aircraft will have the advantage of having a low profile and a naturally smaller radar cross-section. Boeing is actively soliciting feedback from C-17 operators, including the Indian Air Force, to gauge potential interest in the blended wing body design stealthy tactical cargo aircraft program, as this outreach aims to shape its development and also secure export clients. Today's top 3 comments.